Do you want to give your videos a dramatic and cinematic entrance with a flickering backlight animation in CapCut Mobile? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a flickering backlight reveal animation step by step. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video or photo you want to edit, then tap Add to import it. Once on the timeline, tap on your video clip. Next is to click the animation button below. To see here in, out, and combo. For this effect, go to the In section and use the search bar to search for Flickering Backlight. Upon searching, it will lead you to a library of options. Tap it to apply the animation. CapCut will instantly preview your clip, appearing with the flickering light effect from behind the subject before smoothly revealing the full scene. Also, you can use duration slider to control the speed of the animation. Once you're done, click on the check button, and it's time to preview and fine-tune your video. Tap the play button to preview the animation and you can make some final adjustments. Once you're happy with the final animation, tap the export button in the top right corner of your screen. And that's it! That's how you create a flickering backlight reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you!